This is Laura's Nature Break Journal. It's a small journal, so it's portable. It has a ribbon closure with a button, or it's a crocheted lace with a button, hardcover front and back, and a lace seam binding. These are frames that she put bird pictures in. This is different ephemera. We also include our Welcome to Your Journal introduction letter on how to use your journal. A pocket here with a tag with some of my fussy cuts. Another pocket and more of my fussy cuts with some more tags. It's a double pocket. These are all to be written on the back. A little cluster here. Another cluster with the birds. This is an up corner tuck with a card in it. Again, the writing on. She's done some decorative borders here. More birds and trees. This flips up and it's all writing space. And behind it is a pocket with more writing paper. And some decorative corners here. This pocket has a small card and a large card. Some more fussy cuts on there. Writing space with decorative corners here. This is a side pocket. A journaling card and a little tea card. Journaling space here with the flower. Hope everyone's okay. I didn't mean to bump that. Some decorative music paper here. A clip-on journaling card with nice flowers on the side. On the other side of the clip-on is a journaling card with space on the back. This has been decorated up, but there's still lots of room here to write. We have a flip-up envelope here, decorated on this side. A journaling card inside of it. Writing space here. Lots of writing space. Some flower cluster here. A corner pocket. The side pocket. So we have a big flip-out card that goes in the bottom pocket, and a tea card that goes in the side pocket. Some more decorations on the journaling page. This flips up and down. So lots of writing space. Nice continuous picture. This is a nice fabric doily made into a pocket, and there's a tag in there. Kind of a mini cluster here. This is a big top loading pocket. A nice big tag in it. Nicely decorated. Couple little angels. And this pocket has got another journaling card in it. Some birds. A little envelope here, which is one of the faux envelopes that you can write on some music paper. A big card in the back pocket. Two smaller cards in the front pocket. A little bird cluster, more decorative pages. Bigger bird cluster made out of a faux stamp. Decorated edgings here. A large tag and a sewn around tag that was gifted to us. A large tag in this pocket. Some nice decoration and some decorating on the card. Some more music paper, and this is an advertisement for soap, I think. A side pocket with a fussy cut bird and a journaling card. A little cluster here with stamps. This flips open, and you have a very nice bird illustration and writing space This flips up and you have writing space on the top and bottom. This is a triangle side pocket with a card in it. And this flips up and it's an envelope with some writing in it, and you can write around it, and another cover frame on the back that has pictures inserted, and the front and back are also these same frames that she's used and inserted pictures in. If you have any questions or you're interested in any of our journals, please contact us. Thank you.